and welcome back to the channel. So I'm here today to show you my completed temperature blanket. So you would have seen my other videos that I was talking about doing it, and I've shown you little bits of it, but the blanket is now complete. It's a big blanket, so I just thought I would show you the colours and what I'd done to complete it. So we'll start from the beginning. So firstly, you can see I have done a border all the way round. It's double border. I think it's double stitch. I'm not very good at knowing what the stitches are, but that's how I've done it, bordered all the way around the blanket. And let me step back without stepping on the dog and try and show you. So it starts from that and it goes all the way, so it's a big massive blanket. So to start with, these were my cold colours. So the light blue and the grey, the navy, because it is a navy if you can tell, that was when it was really cold. This green line that you see between, that's where I sort of stitched over the crochet to separate the months out, so you can see it like that. Then it starts warming up. This black line, that was the day that I lost one of my cats, so that was there, that was in May. Then you can see as we go on to the summer, and the reason I done a 2023 blanket was because I got married. So as we go into the summer, you can see it's brightening up, it's becoming summer, and the white line, that's the wedding day. And then you can see we go into some quite brights here where it was really hot. That's because that's where we were on honeymoon. So then it sort of stays as we come back fairly bright with the mustard, because obviously it's a British summer and it was quite warm up until September, so there's not much of the blue as we come to the end of the year. And then I had another black line because I lost another one of my cats in the November. Birthdays, so that's like my husband's birthday. I kept the colour of the day, of the temperature of the day, but every, I think, 20 stitches, I did 10 stitches of white in there. Went along and done it again. I've done the same for my birthday. And then I thought I'd do Christmas Day with a red stripe, so you could see the red stripe. So since this has been completed, I have blocked, or blocking, or I've done blocking of the blanket so that it sort of stays in its shape. And since I've done that, it is it feels better, it sits better. So I'm going to insert a clip of how I did the blocking, so I'll insert that. Okay, so I've put the blocks out. That's all I can fit and that's all I've got. So I'm just going to do the blanket section by section, and then it comes with these pins. Okay, so that was how I did the blocking for the blanket. Those foam boards, I got those from Amazon, so I will try and find the link to those, and I will link those boards down below. But as you could see, I didn't have room to lay out the whole blanket in one go, so I had to do it in sections, but it worked. You know, by the afternoon the blanket was done and blocked and dry. So there is the temperature blanket. I can't believe I've actually completed such a big project. So I started this in early January and I finished it, what, mid-March, and the blanket was finished. It took me 3 months to do it. So that is done. So that is my temperature blanket, and then I have now started on my next blanket, which I showed you when I first started it, and now I'm on it big time. I'm doing a granny square blanket. So that's how big it is at the moment. There's no colour scheme. I'm just trying to use up all the wool that I have, and I'm just picking random colours and going round and round and round until either I use up all my wool or it's the size that I want. So just thought I'd show you that. That's really nice and bright. So I hope you've just enjoyed this quick update for the temperature blanket. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I've got loads of exciting new videos coming up very soon. I've got some really exciting projects in the pipeline. I'm just waiting for the deliveries to come, and then we're going to get recording those videos. So make sure to subscribe and don't miss out on those videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.